Hello lovely students. Today let's look at three important theories that explain how learning and development takes place. Chomsky's language acquisition theory, Vygotsky's socio-cultural theory of language development, and Piaget's cognitive theory of language development. Noam Chomsky, a famous linguist and thinker, believed that children are born with the ability to learn language. He said that this ability is already present in the human brain from birth. To explain this, he introduced the idea of a language acquisition device (LAD), a natural system in the brain that helps children learn any language they are exposed to. According to Chomsky, children do not need to be taught every word or rule. Instead, they quickly pick up a language just by hearing it around them. Chomsky also said that all languages in the world share a common set of basic rules which he called universal grammar. This means that the human brain already knows certain patterns and it uses those patterns to understand and form language. For example, even if a child hears only a few sentences, they can still form correct sentences on their own because their brain understands how language works. This theory is important for teachers because it shows that language learning is a natural process. In the classroom, children should be given the chance to hear, speak, and use language freely. Instead of focusing too much on grammar rules in the beginning, teachers should create a rich language environment that supports natural learning. Chomsky's ideas remind us that children have a strong inner ability to learn and we should guide and support that process with encouragement and exposure. Noam Chomsky criticized the behaviorist theory of language, especially B.Ed Skinner's idea that children learn language through imitation and rewards. Chomsky said this view is too simple because children often say new sentences they never heard before and learn grammar rules without being directly taught. Vygotsky said learning happens through social interaction. He believed children learn better when they interact with others in their environment like teachers, parents, or classmates. Through this, they also learn about the culture like language, values, and ways of thinking. So, social interaction and culture both shape how a child learns and grows. Zone of proximal development (ZPD) is the space between what a child can do on their own and what they can do with help. Vygotsky said that real learning happens inside this zone. When a child tries something new, they may not be able to do it alone, but with support from someone more skilled, they can learn it. As the child practices and understands, they slowly become able to do it without help. So, according to Vygotsky, learning happens best inside this zone with the right support from parents, teachers, or classmates. MKO means more knowledgeable other. It is someone who knows more than the learner, like a teacher, parent, or even a friend. This person helps the child learn something they can't do alone. The MKO gives support, explains things, and shows how to do it. With their help, the child learns and becomes more confident. Scaffolding is a concept given by Vygotsky. It means providing temporary support to a learner while they are learning something new. This support can come from a teacher, parent, or peer. As the learner becomes more skilled, the support is slowly removed, helping them become independent. Piaget believed that children don't think like adults right away. Their thinking changes as they grow. He divided this development into 4 stages. Stage 1. Sensory motor stage 0 to 2 years. From birth to 2 years, babies learn through their senses and actions like grabbing, tasting and moving. They learn that things still exist even if they can't see them. This is called object permanence. Stage 2. Pre-operational stage 2 to 7 years. At this stage, kids use imagination and language, but their thinking isn't logical yet. They see the world from their own point of view. This is called egocentrism. What is egocentrism in Piaget's theory? Egocentrism appears in the pre-operational stage. It means the child can't see things from another person's point of view. They think everyone sees the world exactly like they do. For example, if you show a child a toy and ask, "What does your friend see?" from the other side of the table, they will describe what they see, not realizing it's different from the other side. This isn't selfishness, it just means their brain isn't ready yet to understand different perspectives. Concrete operational stage 7 to 11 years. Now children start thinking logically but only about real concrete things. They understand ideas like numbers, time and cause and effect. Formal operational stage 12 years and up. In this final stage, teenagers can think about abstract ideas. They can plan ahead, solve problems, and think about big concepts like justice or freedom.